what's up, y'all? It's SMK and back on channel. So yeah. So today we're gonna play the old version of Car Simulator 2015 Police Edition. So like, I know you're wondering, are you new to this old game? Well, no. Look at this. I just got a Dodge Challenger Hellcat that kind of looks like it, but not really. I haven't got like a Porsche chase vehicle. I only have the police type of Porsche. So yeah, I guess we'll go with the Dodge Challenger. This is the easiest way you can just like arrest a robber. But like you have to just like stop, cause like you don't want to just like hit the bumpy hill. So yeah. You've arrested a thief. Wow, exactly 25 seconds? Wow. Anyways, so I guess we'll go with the escape mode. With a Dodge Challenger, I guess. Escape. Oh god. But this time I'm not gonna use restart button while I'm escape. I better check on the back, cause oh god, we're closer. That's cheating on that, but whatever. Okay. So many polices are there. Don't go right there, cause if you go right there, that's probably cheating. But oh well. The bug is still not fixed. Wow. Escaped. Be right back, guys. Alright, so I'm back, guys, so yeah, don't even mind it, alright. So let's go on the free mode. We're gonna just like roleplay as a police, I guess. Soon I will get the thief Lamborghini and the police Lamborghini. Is it police? Yeah. So yeah. I'm just gonna like, you see guys, I'm not like a role player, but like, oh well. Alright. Okay, so oh my gosh, I better stop singing with chord drills or like whatever the song is. Oh, I just did it wheelie. Okay, very cool. So yeah, if you just like press this and we'll do that sounds like a dog barking sound. Alright. Let's use the Dodge Challenger police car. Alright, so like there's like a secret place on like old version of like these games. And yeah, it's still here. And you can also find it by collecting blueprints on like oldest version of multiplayer driving simulator and like other type of games that have blueprints, like such as Extreme SUV driving simulator, Extreme car driving simulator, and like other games. Racer guy, not a drifter, but like oh well. Alright, I just complete the checkpoint mode, so now the final one. Alright, so I don't know if you had to watch an ad to just like yes, you have to just like watch an ad to get some paint job. Alright, anyways. Woo! Okay. I don't know the full lyrics of it, but I know some of these lyrics. So like, I know these, okay? Don't even just like try to just like bully me for like not doing the full one, but it's alright. I can just like do like half of it. Alright, orals, my throat will be back. Let's go! Whoa! A barrel. Whoa, I just did a stoppie. That's what stoppie is! Boom! Whoa. Hold on. What the hell? This equals a stunt master. Okay. Oh my god. Am I gonna win the building? Nah. I just got hit by a tree and I just like landed. Very cool! Woo! Yeah, I think that's enough for this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know and I'll see you guys soon.